Welcome to our forever holiday. We are Mike and Lisa. This is our full-time home, a Grand Design fifth-wheel RV. This is our 4th year on the road. This video is about Yellowstone National Park, the first U.S. national park and possibly the first national park in the world. It was established in 1872 by President Grant. It is about 90% wilderness. It's 3,500 square miles, about 2 million acres.
Nearly 5 million people visit the park annually. Be sure to make your reservations for lodging and camping early.
Lakes, rivers, and waterfalls are everywhere in the park.
Wildlife can be observed all over the park. Geothermal activity is plentiful in Yellowstone.
So let's get started taking a look at all the water everywhere in the park.
This is Lewis Lake in Yellowstone National Park, and it is frozen over. Frozen over with snow, but it's beautiful. Here we are, Yellowstone. Yay, we made it.
Yellowstone Lake, at 84,000 acres, is the largest high-elevation freshwater lake in North America. It was formed by massive volcanic eruptions. This is Firehole Falls, and the Firehole River that runs just in front of Grand Prismatic Spring and Old Faithful. This is Gibbon Falls and the Gibbon River. The Yellowstone River runs through the park and created the Grand Canyon of the Yellowstone. Mystic Falls is a 70-foot high, cascade-type waterfall on the Little Firehole River.
Yellowstone National Park is home to lots of wildlife. This black bear was foraging around just off the main road in Yellowstone. The park has a very large population of bison. This one was smiling for the camera. On our way out of the park, this mama and baby bison were being encouraged by the park rangers to stay off the road. Here is a young male elk with velvet antlers. We spotted this cute little red fox in the meadow. The trumpeter swan is the largest and heaviest species of waterfowl in North America. Of course, everyone has heard of Old Faithful. We did not have to wait long to see an eruption. It is best to get here early, 9 a.m. to 10 a.m., to find a parking spot. Earlier in the summer. Do not miss seeing this. Grand Prismatic Springs is the largest hot springs in the U.S. and the 3rd largest in the world. A boardwalk runs past several hot pools. Over half of the world's geysers and hydrothermal features are in Yellowstone National Park. These are called Mudpots. Please like, subscribe, and ring the little bell for the upcoming videos that we have coming out.
We reserved our campsite at Fishing Bridge 6 months before our arrival. One evening, while chasing sunset pictures, we came upon this beautiful double rainbow over Yellowstone Lake. Sadly, we were not able to locate the pot of gold. Yellowstone is one of our favorite national parks. It is so large that it cannot be discovered in a single week. We will definitely be coming back to discover more of it. Which national park is your favorite?
If you've been to Yellowstone National Park, please tell us in the comments and let us know which portion of the park was your favorite. If we don't see you in person, we'll see you on the road. Thanks for watching.